morning, my dear teachers and my dear friends. My name is Bhuvan Shekhar. I am studying in UKG direction. Shuklam Bharadaram Vishwam Shashivanam Tatubhujam Prasannavadaram Daye Sarvighnopashantaye Ya Kundendu Tushara Aradhavala Ya Shubhavastanvita Ya Veena Varadhanna Manditakara Ya Shweta Padmasana Ya Brahmachuta Shankara Prabhutivi Devai Sada Pujita Sama Patu Saraswati Bhagavati Nisheshajaryapa. Thank you.